Jesse, Cara, you guys want to say hello? Tell what you think of this thing? So whose idea was this in the first place? You said it was your dad's?
My mom.
Your mom? Well, I want to thank your aunt and your mom for a great idea.
Lettuce on your feet.
Yeah? Well, the camera's on the side of my head, so I don't get to be in any of the pictures, right?
No.
So, oh well. Good job.
Keep coming.
All right, Jesse.
That was pretty good.
That was good screaming for effect. Course is fini. We all made it, believe it or not.
Yes, we did all in one piece with messy hair, but you know.
Oh yeah, my hair got messed up too. Check this out.
What the hell?
We got Jesse and his neon, looking good.
Cara in her bra.
Yes.
Oh, sexy.
Let Ed help you. That did not suck. We were way up there. It was a hoot.